Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be creating this perfect summer makeup look. Look at this popping colors. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I've never done this kind of bright pop makeup. This time I decided to go out of my comfort zone and create this makeup look. My skincare is done and let's start with base makeup. Our focus for this video is not exactly the makeup, it's the funky look which I'm creating. I'll be using skin tint with primer and a stroke cream. So we have this concoction. Let's mix it well and let's apply it. I don't usually wear makeup, but when I do, I try to wear when it's not heavy makeup, then I just go with skin tint so that it feels like my second skin. And as I told in the previous video, this stroke cream smells like strawberry milkshake. Now I'm going to apply concealer. Just a little. Look at the difference. Just going to apply a little, and also I am setting up my lids for eye makeup. So in no time our base makeup is done. To build on this, I have one brand to create that bright summer popping colors. So I'm gonna use this brand, Gush Beauty, where I have all these products. So we have lipstick and we have mascara, we have eyeshadow palette, and we have blush. Let's create our summer bright colors makeup look using this one brand. Let's begin with eyeshadow. See how bling it is. Okay, so here this is how it looks, and yeah, oh, look at this color. Whoa, this is my favorite color. Our first color is lavender, and then we have bright yellow, and we have this, which matches my nail polish. Yeah, this color and pink. I mean, when I say this, yes, I feel it's appropriate to use in summer because it's all spring and summery colors. So let's use this. In my mind, I have a picture where here it will be yellow, pink, and yeah, purple here. I know it might be a bad idea, but let's see. Let's trust the process and let's start with the makeup. Without applying anything, I've not applied setting spray. Let's check. Oh my god, look at this color. Let's start. Where is my mirror? So yeah. Okay. The color is not coming up. So let's work with setting spray then. I get color. No guys, I mean it's coming but not, it is bright yellow and here I can see that mustard yellow color. Let's see, let's try to work with this. Okay, half is done. So here also. This color is looking brighter than this. Let's work with it. No problem. What do we think? So let's go to pink and let's check that color at least. Am I playing Holi right now? Look at this color. Hopefully this will be here. I mean it's not coming. I mean pink is so good. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that color payoff. I'm gonna take the clean brush and blend it properly. It's soft blend, okay? Look at that. Even this side. Soft blend on our crease as well. Voila! We have the color. Then I'm thinking to add this color here on my lower lash line. So now it's time for our last color. This. I'm thinking whether to apply this as an eyeliner or to create, cut crease kind of situation here. What do you think? What should I do? Cut crease might work as well, but I don't know. This is what we call as summer. All the bright colors popping on your eyes. So that's about my eyes, where you get all three, like volumizing, brow setter and lengthening. Ooh. We have magnets. You can detach it like this, and then I'm gonna use the lengthening mascara. Maybe not in the mode. So let's use volumizing. Before that, why don't we set our brows? Look at the applicator. Look at that. It's clear gel, so it will set your brows well. You just have to comb it properly and set it however you want to. And guys, I've used it multiple times. This video is kind of review of these products, I can say. This is good. The brow gel is good. It will be steady when you apply. Look at that. So yeah, this is done. And let's move on to our next step, which is lashes. So for that, I'll be using lengthening mascara. Look at this spoolie and the shape of the wand. So that's done. And I have one complaint regarding this mascara, which dries out very quickly, because only the brow setter is fine and these things will get dried very quickly. I think Gush Beauty needs to take care of this thing, but this trio is amazing. That's what I can say. But the only drawback of this product is which dries out very quickly, where for example I can show that to you. See, this is a volumizing mascara and look at that. It's already dried out. I mean, it's been like 2 months, I think, when 2 to 3 months I bought it. But I don't know whether they should be drying this much, because other mascaras of mine don't get dried that quickly. So next, we are moving towards what else is missing, that flush natural effect, right? So we have this Gush Beauty's squishy blush. You might have already seen me using this blush multiple times in my video, or recently in most of my Get Ready with Me videos. So see how squishy it is. Because of this only I bought this. So good. So I'm gonna apply it here. I mean, this is also more. Very little is enough to build up the color. So I'm using this flat brush to apply the blush. Look at that color. And this side. Look at that color. So yeah, this is our blush, and I'll be highlighting using the stroke cream. I'll be using my finger to do that. I'm just blinging and pop of colors. If this is not for summer, what is it for? I'll be using clean brush to apply stroke cream here. Shouldn't miss. So now, what's the last step, which is this lipstick? You must be thinking, what's there in that? I mean, how big is this lipstick? So yeah, the thing is, this is 4-in-1 liquid lipstick, matte colors. You can see here, these are the colors I have here with me. So basically this one and this one, you can use it to, you know, create that nude. I mean, this is not nude for me, for my skin tone, so I use it as a base lip color to pop these colors up. Okay, this is, let's try using this. So I'm gonna take this light color and apply it as a base first on my lips. So this is the applicator. Yeah. So then I'm gonna apply it. So this color washes me out, so I cannot use this lip shade as a nude lipstick for my skin tone. I mean, I don't see it. I mean, at least now my eyes are popping, so it's not that evident. But when I just apply it for a lipstick, I mean, usually I don't wear makeup. I just do skincare and apply lipstick. That's it. When I go to office. But see, when at that time when I apply this, it completely washes me out, so I don't prefer using this. But this lip combo is basically for everybody, all the skin tone, so you can, you know, use it. Color theory, if you know the color theory, you can understand the shade range. So yeah, then I'll be using this particular color because I love this color. So yeah, so this is the color we have here. This is perfect pink nude for me. Look how pretty it looks. This is matte lipstick, so which is looking put together, and you know, that subtle color, not that popping. And I don't like red lipsticks, especially those I don't know how to spell that color, but I can say blood red. So my makeup is done. I can you can even finish it using the setting spray, but I'm not doing that right now. This is the final look of our summer makeup. Hopefully you like this. See, look at that color pop. I think even, you know, I'm using this pop colors and coming out of my comfort zone in the makeup for the first time. Hopefully I did the great job because I can see it on camera, and look at that flawless you know, blush or the lipstick and you know, eyebrow setter. Everything is just perfect and amazing is what I feel. This brings us to an end of the video. I hope you love this summer makeup look. And if you do so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.